The difference between ordinary aerial footage and cinematic drone video often comes down to the drone you choose. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best 4K drones of 2026, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your money. Whether you're a beginner capturing travel footage, a content creator shooting cinematic videos, or someone who simply loves aerial photography, this list is carefully researched to help you pick the right drone. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. SKYROVER X1. The SKYROVER X1 is an affordable 4K camera drone designed for beginners and casual aerial photographers. It supports 4K video recording and 8K photo capture, giving users impressive image quality for its price range. It also features a lightweight design under 249 grams, which makes it easier to travel with and fly in many regions. Review highlights. One of the standout features of the SKYROVER X1 is its long flight time of up to 96 minutes with 3 batteries included, allowing you to capture more footage without constantly recharging. Pros: 4K video and 8K photo capability, lightweight under 249-gram design, up to 96 minutes total flight time with 3 batteries, long transmission distance, beginner-friendly controls. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship professional drone designed for serious filmmakers and photographers. It features a tri-camera system with a powerful 100-megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor, delivering extremely detailed photos and cinematic video. With up to 51 minutes of flight time and a 30-kilometer video transmission range, this drone is built for long-distance aerial filming and professional production work. Pros: 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera system, professional tri-camera setup, up to 51 minutes flight time, 30-kilometer long-range transmission, advanced obstacle sensing. Number 3. DJI Mini3. The DJI Mini3 is a lightweight and highly portable 4K drone that delivers impressive image quality in a compact body. It features vertical shooting, which makes it perfect for creators producing content for social media platforms. Review highlights. Despite its small size, the Mini3 offers strong flight stability, great battery life, and high-quality 4K footage, making it one of the best beginner-friendly drones available. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams design, sharp 4K video recording, vertical shooting for social media, long flight time with Fly More combo, great for beginners and travelers. Number 2. DJI Mini4 Pro. The DJI Mini4 Pro builds on the success of the Mini series with powerful professional features in an ultra-portable design. It offers 4K HDR video recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and advanced active track subject tracking. Review highlights. This drone is perfect for creators who want professional features without carrying a large drone. The improved safety sensors also make it much easier for beginners to fly confidently. Pros: 4K HDR video recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, advanced active track tracking system, lightweight under 249 grams design, excellent portability for travel. Number 1. DJI Mini5 Pro. Taking the top spot is the DJI Mini5 Pro, one of the most advanced compact drones available in 2026. It features a large 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, delivering significantly better dynamic range and low light performance compared to most compact drones. Review highlights. The Mini5 Pro combines professional camera quality, intelligent tracking, and advanced obstacle sensing, while still keeping a lightweight, portable design. Pros: large 1-inch CMOS camera sensor, active track 360 intelligent tracking, advanced obstacle sensing, extended battery life, professional quality 4K video in a compact drone. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera quality, intelligent flight features, portability, and overall performance, the DJI Mini5 Pro clearly stands out as the best overall 4K drone in this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.